This might be one of the best value pieces of furniture I have discovered in a really long time. When living in a small apartment, finding a space-saving sofa can be difficult, but I actually discovered the perfect one. I would highly recommend checking this one out. These are really relaxing and comfortable, and on top of that, everything came packaged so nicely, very easy to find parts, as well as the instructions could not be any more clear. It was seriously such a breeze to put together. Honestly, all you had to do for the assembly pretty much was attach the legs, and then it came with these little clips that I'm going to share with you guys here that you just go ahead and clip on to the actual sofa itself to hold everything together. Another thing that makes this such an amazing furniture buy is the fact that this is such a modular piece. It is so simple to easily reconfigure this within seconds. I think that this is an amazing option. Again, you can really configure this in any space that you would need it to go. One thing that you can always tell the quality is when you push the sofa parts down, how quickly they spring back up. This is going to share with you the durability, and this one definitely passes that durability test in my book. It also has this gorgeous soft chenille fabric that I cannot get enough of. So I went ahead and tied this into what I would call more of like an organic modern feel for this small living room makeover, just to give you guys an idea of how you can style this. So I'm using pieces with a lot of different textures and tones. I'm adding in some faux greenery to the space as well to kind of tie in that little extra space that we had over here within the corner. I'm actually going to share with you guys another feature that I absolutely love. So it had this like little piece of fabric that it came with, but it's actually a side pocket organizer. So this is a side pocket. You could put remotes in, you could put your phone in, and you can kind of drape it on either side of the sofa in terms of whatever you choose. Another great feature of this sofa is the fact that these are actually removable and it is washable. I feel like it is so important when you're looking for a sofa to go for something like this Visconti that has the washable option. Now I'm sharing with you guys a trick that I use when I hang up these wall hangings. I actually just use some painter's tape. So I will go ahead and take the painter's tape. I will attach it to the item, making sure that the tape stops on the ends exactly where I would need to place in a screw or a nail to hang this up. I'm doing this super quickly here, but I think that this is perfect. I am not the best at hanging things up, so whenever I use this hack, it is like a worry-free way of just hanging things up. It's perfect because you can really like line it up with the holes on whatever photo you may have. So here I am just putting that up on the wall. I do recommend using a level just to confirm that the painter's tape that you choose to put up is completely level. And then I just set that on the little nails, and that was super easy to hang up because it's not that heavy. And again, that's just going to add some more texture as well as some warmth to the space to kind of balance the neutral tones of the sofa. As you can see here, I feel like this Visconti sofa like just fits into this decor so easily. But I just wanted to share with you guys how versatile this can be. So here I am styling it a little bit more mid-century modern, and then also showing you that you could make this sofa also super modern. Depending on what your design style is, this sofa is going to work out. This is kind of what we've got going on for the space so far. I figured I would go ahead and also add in just a coffee table to give you guys an example of what this would look like styled with a round coffee table. This is one of my favorites. It's just like an indoor-outdoor, very simple coffee table, but I feel like it fits really well. Another great thing is you can actually contact customer service for Visconti by phone after you purchase this sofa. You can request an additional one of these blankets. Let me just tell you, this blanket is seriously so soft. Now, I love that it comes with these little small pillows. They're seriously super comfortable, but I wanted to go ahead and add some larger ones. So that is something that you can do as well. You can kind of swap out the pillows, and that is what I'm doing here. I'm just using some to add even more texture to the space. So those are some of my favorites that I have as well, but I would definitely recommend tying in this space with an additional rug just to kind of complete it. Again, these videos are just to kind of give you guys different ideas on how you can style your space. Now, I love the look and like slimness and streamline design of this sofa, so I was wondering if you were going to have to sacrifice any comfort, but let me tell you, this is seriously such a comfortable sofa. I was blown away, and I was actually shocked that you could just comfortably take a nap on here. Like, look how much extra room there is. This would just be a great addition to any home. So if you are in the market for a new sofa, I would highly recommend checking out Visconti and what they have to offer, because these are seriously some really great cozy sofas that I would definitely recommend. These are definitely in one of my top favorites. So definitely check the link in the description box down below so you guys can grab your own Visconti sofa. Thank you to them for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!